Hi, I'm Anton. Today is the fifth day of my daily crypto installments. As usual, I bought 20,000 Bitcoin, 20,000 Ethereum, and just 10,000 XRP. I'd like to step aside for a moment so I can show you my screen recording of when I bought crypto on the fifth day, January 15th, 2025. So, while I wait for my transaction to complete, let's talk about one of the cryptocurrencies. Today, I want to continue my story about Bitcoin. This time, we'll discuss why is Bitcoin valuable. Bitcoin is valuable because it's scarce and trusted. The maximum number of coins is only 21 million, and currently over 19 million are in circulation. This means there are fewer and fewer left to mine. Furthermore, the Bitcoin system is decentralized, meaning that no single person or government can control it. Everything is recorded on the blockchain, a digital ledger system that cannot be tampered with. Bitcoin also can't be printed at will like regular money, and the process of obtaining Bitcoin requires a lot of effort and money. It's called mining. That's why many people believe Bitcoin can be a long-term store of value, like gold, but in a digital version. I don't have much myself, but I'm saving up little by little. The important thing is to understand the value, not just follow the crowd. If you agree, please like. If you disagree, please share your reasons in the comments. And whether you agree or not, you must subscribe so you can see the next video tomorrow. Now let's check my screen recording. It seems to be taking longer than usual. There was a bit of a problem at the time, because my attempt to buy 10,000 rupiah worth of XRP didn't work, so we had to add a little more. So, for your information, buying crypto on Indodax using rupiah is very affordable. You can buy crypto for as little as 10,000 rupiah, but to be safe, it's best to buy a little more, for example, 10,050 rupiah, to ensure the transaction doesn't fail due to rounding, which results in a value below 10,000. The screen shows me repeatedly entering the XRP value I want to buy. When the value falls below the minimum, the app displays the minimum amount of XRP that can be purchased. You can change the XRP amount or the rupiah value, whichever is more convenient and easier. Well, it looks like my transaction is almost complete. Let's see. My total assets are 300,000. This is the fifth day I've been buying crypto in installments of 50,000 rupiah a day, meaning I've purchased a total of 250,000 rupiah and I have 50,000 rupiah left. That's it for today's video. We'll discuss Ethereum again tomorrow. The deeper we go, the more exciting it gets. See you in the next video.